she, I wish Isha. That's your run up good, you have you know good now. You couldn't have the tone chair accent, na run about. Na run about nine you. You couldn't have the boy that yeah, Chris, I did do word of encouragement and oh yeah boy, the song is not that the song is good, but your voice is not that good, you know. But before you come to talk about it, boy said boy you don't go make money from music. If you don't make money from music, I don't know now. If you just do like this, or you will people now, we be saying, this is a person they curious, no furious, I mean obvious. They go say, oh, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, take your time, you can do it, you can, I be riffing you. And that person go there encouragement, you go there discourage, sorry. You go there encourage, yes. You go feel one, but it's going to your ball, they laugh, on the down here. That was some professionalism. Yes, it's me that spoke it. Hey, so now, but I think say village people follow this boy come this audition. Before them come, village people they online then they watch television. Oh yeah now, just look this one way do before you come this Nigeria idolism. Look at now.
I need somebody to hear, somebody to hear, somebody to know. It's easy to say, it's never the same. I'm kinda getting used to being served the pain, not a day.
Boy now, what you think come happen for the audition? What think come happen? If I just do this one, if I don't sing this one, go. You see, whatever you want to do, you have to pray because village people, then they afraid again. Then they afraid they pray for you, pew. They don't say that boy, you don't go that sick. Now them they come turn their TV station, keep, come they watch. And the boy wants it, then they squeeze the voice. As he wants it, then they choke up. The thing he come he come restrict the hair through. You restrict the boy hair through, the boy no hair through again. Hey, but they say, oh, disappointment. It's not a disappointment. That boy there, in further way don't increase. People don't you know. But so you need to work on your inferiority complex. Yes, that boy better say get inferiority complex. Now where the thing you can't tame him down. Need to your correction, believe in yourself, I can do it. You claim that stage, I can sing, I can do it. I can do it. Like me now, I can do it. But I don't know what I can do, but I can do it. But Sheisha, you don't get good content. You don't get tomato. But you see for that boy, we move ahead. We move. That's it. Chee.